How to get Robux with Sweatcoin. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So first download the Sweatcoin app if you are in iOS and head to the Apple Store. For the Android user, go to the Play Store. Just follow on-screen instruction to get started. Quick disclaimer: there isn't a direct way to convert Sweatcoins, which reward you work for working into Robux, the virtual currency used in the Roblox. However, there are clever workarounds to make it happen. Sweatcoin offer gift card from the popular retailers, which you can use to buy Roblox gift cards. So start by earning Sweatcoins through the working. Then use this coin to get gift cards for Roblox. For extra rewards, you can also invite friends to join the Sweatcoin and earn referral bonus to more Sweatcoin you collect, the more earn. Another option is using the platform like Playbee, where you can exchange your points for prizes including the Roblox gift cards. Link your Sweatcoin account to Playbee, and when you win a gift card you can use for Roblox to upgrade your Roblox avatar or buy a special in-game abilities. While there is no direct method to get the Robux for Sweatcoin, using platform like Playbee is an effective way to convert the Sweatcoin into Roblox gift cards. That's it.